How to view raw binary data as an image with given width and height. Does there exist a program for Linux that can display raw binary data? Each byte in my binary files represent a pixel, so it would be very useful if something like this exists where I could say, and it would display the pixels. I wonder if Nuplot can be used for this?
Okay, Nuplot can do it. This URL.
To see the raw binary data, I would use the hexdump command hexdump. I would use the C option so that I could more easily see telltale ASCII text such as TIFF or PNG in case the data was not raw but a more structured form. I don't know of any image format that consists of unstructured bytes. Is the data 8-bit RGB values? If the file contains 30,000 bytes, is that RGB for 100 by 100 pixels or RGB for 50 by 200 pixels or RGB for 200 by 50 pixels or something else? Is there a palette? You have to know something about the organization of the data. To view it as an image, I would use the NetM utilities or maybe ImageMagick to convert it to a form understood by an image viewer. If the above can't do the job, I'd investigate writing a small Perl script. Footnote. On some older Unix systems this command might be HD or odd with no hexdump command available. See unix.stackexchange.com. Odd is POSIX and oddxtx1z file name. Works in some popular Linux distributions.
Convert from ImageMagick. For example, an 8-bit 2x3 grayscale. Then, command explanation. Depth 8, each color has 8 bits. Size 2x3 plus 0, 2x3 image. Plus 0 means starting at offset 0 in the file. If there are metadata headers, you can skip them with the offset. Gray column in.bin, the input file is in.bin, and the format is gray, as defined at this URL. This weird notation is used because ImageMagick usually determines the format from the extension, but here there is no extension. How to view such tiny outputs like this example. The problem now is how to view such a tiny 3x2 output accurately. A direct AOG. Is not very good because the image is too small, and if you zoom in a lot, AOG uses a display algorithm that mixes up pixels continuously, which is better for most pictures, but not for such a tiny image. One good possibility is to run or directly in one go with. Scale is needed instead of resize, since resize mixes pixel colors continuously up much like AOG by default. Output. Another option is to view it in GIMP. Image editors such as GIMP must show every single pixel separately if you zoom in enough. RGB example. Or with the scale to make it more viewable. Related. This URL. Tested on Ubuntu 16.04, ImageMagick 6.8.9.
If not wanting to view it directly but rather convert it, the convert utility can do this. To read from STIM, assuming 320 by 200 pixels, 8-bit gray header of 0, saving to pic.ping in ping format.
Questions